Hi everyone, welcome to Learn English with Amelia. Today we're going to explore real-life English triggers that can instantly boost your fluency. These are easy, natural, and fun ways to use English every day.
And hey, before we start, don't forget to like the video and subscribe if you want English to feel natural and fun. It really helps you learn faster.
First, let's practice talking to yourself. You can do this anywhere, anytime.
For example, I want coffee. It's sunny today. I have 3 messages.
Simple sentences like these get your brain thinking in English automatically.
And don't worry if nobody answers. It's all about training your mind.
Next, use English in your daily tasks.
When cooking, I am chopping vegetables. I will boil water.
Cleaning your room. I need to make my bed. I will tidy my desk.
Even brushing teeth works. I am brushing my teeth. It's morning. Time to wake up.
Imagine shopping in English.
Ask questions like, how much is this? Do I like this color? What do I need?
Always use full sentences. It prepares you for real-life conversations.
Practice social questions in English. For example, how was your day? What are your plans? Do you like coffee?
Even if no one answers, your brain learns how to form English sentences naturally.
Observe people and describe what they are doing. That man is reading a book. The girl is smiling at her phone. The dog is running fast.
It sounds simple, but it activates your English brain constantly.
Movies and music are excellent triggers. Repeat short sentences from scenes or songs. I'm walking in the rain. I feel happy.
This trains listening, thinking, and speaking simultaneously.
Reflect in English at the end of the day. What did I do today? What was fun? What did I learn?
Even a few sentences help improve memory and fluency.
Ask yourself questions and answer in English. What's my favorite food? Pizza is my favorite. I love cheese.
Or, where do I want to travel? I want to visit New York. I love big cities. These are tiny
These
English
small
moments
drills
that
prepare you
activate
for
your brain
real
automatically.
conversations.
And they make your
Name
English
objects
faster without
around you in
studying
English.
grammar all day.
Laptop,
Trigger 1.
phone,
You hear a phone
Chair.
notification.
bottle,
Who texted me
Red.
this time?
blue,
Trigger 2.
green.
You enter a This room. links English
Where
words
did I leave
directly
my
to
stuff?
objects in your life. Trigger 3. Use
You're
your
ready to
emotions
eat.
as triggers.
Let's dig in.
I'm happy.
Trigger 4.
I'm tired.
You feel sleepy.
I'm hungry.
I need a nap.
I'm excited
Trigger
for tomorrow.
5. You finish
This
work.
connects feelings with
Finally,
English words,
I'm done.
which makes speaking more natural.
Now we train emotional
Listen to a short
fluency.
sentence
How
in
to
English
sound
and
natural,
repeat
not
it
robotic.
immediately.
Show
Wow,
happy.
that's amazing.
I'm feeling
Let
really
me
good
see.
today.
I
Show
can do it.
sad.
Slowly,
need a
you'll
quiet
repeat
moment.
full sentences
Show
naturally
angry.
and confidently.
Seriously?
Let's
This
try mini
again?
real-life scenes.
Show excited.
I'm waking up.
This is going to be
I need water.
awesome.
I
Show
should check my
nervous.
messages.
Okay.
I want
deep
coffee.
breath. I can do
I'm
this.
relaxing now.
Great
I
job
will cook
today.
dinner.
You trained your
What
brain
should I
in
watch?
quick reaction
Maybe a short
English,
video.
thinking in English.
Do this daily and
memory
your fluency
repetition,
improves
emotional
naturally.
fluency,
Remember,
real-life triggers.
fluency is about smart
And hey,
daily
if you
habits,
enjoyed this
not
lesson, make
studying
sure to
harder.
like, subscribe,
Tiny
and
triggers,
hit the bell
repeated
so you never
daily,
miss our daily
work like
English
magic.
lessons.
Try
See you in
these
the next
methods for
video.
a week, then comment below which trigger helped you most.
And don't forget, like and subscribe for more natural English lessons every day.
See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay motivated.